Something to keep in mind in considering an infinite banking concept or infinite banking strategy. When using a properly structured, designed, and engineered permanent life insurance product, I sit with my clients when I do reviews and I say, okay, you have an IUL. Tell me about it. Well, I'm putting in $500 a month and my agent was so awesome he was able to get me a $2 million death benefit. If you're trying to become your own bank, you really need to look at this policy and review it. Because you don't get policies like this for a high death benefit. You're never going to become your own bank that way. Now, I'm not saying if you need $2 million in coverage, get $2 million in coverage, but get a different policy. Because if you're trying to become your own bank using an infinite banking concept, you don't want a high death benefit. You want to minimize the death benefit to maximize your cash value growth in the policy. That way you're not paying for a high cost of insurance. That's the whole purpose of an infinite banking concept. Get to your money working for you. If you have a high death benefit in this policy, it's just going to the cost of insurance. Another thing you want to keep in mind is you want to have an increasing death benefit, as long as your age permits it. That way the death benefit will always increase year over year, outpacing your cash value growth, keeping it an insurance policy, and of course will outpace inflation rate as well. Now, at whatever year you decide to stop funding the policy, typically I structure my clients' policies whenever they want to retire to stop funding it. Doesn't mean that they can't fund it anymore. It just means it's not going to auto withdraw out of their account. But at that time, you want to make sure that the death benefit levels and stops increasing. That way, the rise of insurance costs doesn't eat away at your cash value. For more tips on how to properly structure an IUL policy designed for infinite banking concepts, click the link in the bio of this page if you're a licensed agent and you want to know more about these types of strategies and you're interested in looking at other career paths using different carriers instead of just one. Click the link in the bio and schedule a free consultation with me to see if you'd be a good fit for our team.